Okay, so I promised you guys a little bit of insight on the collision stuff. So, super simple. The collision for these assets are going to be these convex shapes, which are these very simple boxes, okay? Nothing too crazy. When you have, I'll show you guys, we're going to group all these things together. But what we want to do is, the idea is we don't want to make collision around every single little piece of geometry here. That's way overkill. What we want to do is we want to call out all the main forms, okay? In particular the main forms where the character or player can reach, or depending on your engine, where bullets, or your gameplay, or your game for that matter, depending on where bullets can reach. So again, now you can go in, and it depends again on how exact that you want to be. We're going to go a little bit more simplistic on this collision stuff. So we're not going to go super crazy, but we're going to try and be efficient where we can. So just come through here. We're going to make all of these guys super simple. Obviously the highlight of our modeling careers. There we go. We'll just move this down. I remember doing collision, gosh, back for, this was Mortal Kombat versus DC, one of the early Mortal Kombats when Midway was still back around. And honestly, not a lot has changed. So here we go. All right, we'll do that. And you know what? For just for this demo, these guys are going to be okay. I'm not going to worry about that secondary little step drop that's happening there. We'll take this. Move you up. Put you here. And then we'll do a local scale. Don't worry, we're going to freeze all this stuff too, so